Present perfect. Continuous. The scribes have been writing for hours. Here are a few examples highlighting the usage of the present perfect continuous tense. 1. I've been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. In this example, the action of waiting has been ongoing for a specific period of time, 20 minutes. 2. They've been studying English all morning. This sentence suggests that the action of studying English started in the morning and is still ongoing at the time of speaking. 3. She's been painting the house for 2 days. Here, the continuous nature of the action, painting the house, over a period of 2 days is emphasized. 4. We've been watching a movie for 2 hours. The action of watching the movie has been going on for a specific duration, 2 hours, and is still in progress. 5. The baby has been crying for hours. This sentence implies that the baby has been crying continuously for an extended period of time. 6. They've been working on their project for weeks. The continuous nature of the action, working on their project, over a period of weeks, is illustrated in this sentence. 7. He's been running a marathon for hours. This example highlights the ongoing action of running a marathon for an extended period of time. 8. My friend has been teaching English for a decade. Here, the action of teaching English has been continuous for a specific duration, a decade. By using the present perfect continuous tense, we can convey the idea of an ongoing action that started in the past and continues into the present. This tense is particularly useful for emphasizing the duration of an action or its continuous nature. Through these examples, ESL students can gain a better understanding of how to use the present perfect continuous tense effectively in their own writing and conversations.